What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Travis. Of course, you are watching TWA Motorsports, and today is the day. I'm out of breath. Guys, I just got through strapping his Corvette down. Me and Kohen are heading to the track. It's really windy. It's actually been raining at the track. I'm hoping we can get some decent times, or he can get some decent times out of the car, but we're loaded up. I think we're good and strapped down. We'll probably check our straps. I gotta stop and get gas, so we'll stop and check the straps when I get gas. But what do you think?
Ready to go fast?
I just want to go fast, Mom. All right, we're gonna hop in the truck. I'm gonna catch my breath. We're gonna get to the track. Well, we made it, but it's raining, or it rained here. They said they're gonna start some 8th mile here soon.
Fill out your tech card front and back, bring it up with your racing vehicle.
Not a lot of people here, but we're gonna get her unstrapped and we're gonna give her a shot.
Drivers, please remember.
Well, he's in line. They're only doing 8th mile hits right now because the track's still a little wet. They're letting it dry out. So he said he's gonna hit an 8th mile, or get an 8th mile pass in. I brought a camera to suction cup to the side. I don't know if we're gonna get it in before he goes, but he's teched in and ready to do it. We can always convert 8th mile to quarter mile, but they should run quarter a little later. Okay, he's going for his first pass ever in the car. Let's see how it goes. Come on, Cam, let's go down here. Cam showed up with us.
Yeah. Once again, if you've not yet been through tech, lane number 5.
This is just 8th mile. What did you think of Bub's first pass?
What?
What did you think of his first pass?
I mean, I really wanted him to go 120, but he only went 91.
That was just an 8th mile. He's gonna go again. control off. He's way better. 825.
What does that mean?
Well, it's way better than his 9.1 he went last time. Still spun though.
How much miles an hour did he go?
91.
91 again?
Well, it's a real bummer because they are only running 8th mile because it rained all day and the end of the track is still wet. He's pretty bummed about the whole ordeal, I think. And he wanted to make one last pass. That was the best pass of the day. And we are going to load it up on the trailer at this point, I believe. So, it's, you know, first time. Really tons of moisture in the air. Not great for racing, to be honest with you. Well, as you can see, we got down the track. The downside is it was 8th mile all day. It was wet. The track prep was terrible. But I get it. Look, you're not going to spend the time to prep a track if not a lot of people are there and it's been raining, right? I get it. We probably should have went on a different day. We will go back, that is for sure, because Kohen did not want to see an 8th mile pass. The best pass, I think, was what, that 790 something that he ran at like 92, almost 93 miles an hour. We didn't get any slips. They weren't handing out slips either, so I don't have anything to show you. I don't know what his 60-foot times look like. I don't know any of that. I know he spun on every single time. That last one where he had the best time, he spun the least, but he's still spinning. And his confusion was, why did I buy, those are his stock tires back there. We still haven't swapped it back. It's in the basement garage now. He just washed it actually. But his confusion was like, why did I buy these tires to go to the track and spin? I thought I wasn't gonna spin. Well, you know, it's a learning experience and trying to find out how to launch that car. You know, do you pin it up against the converter until it starts to move? Do you flash the converter out of the hole? Does it spin? What tire pressure is best? That's all stuff that you got to test, and it changes every track. And I told him that. So it's not just, unless you buy something all-wheel drive, it's pretty much you got to know their car. And I think he's learning that. I don't know when we're going to go back, but when we do, obviously, guys, we will film that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed our first trip, or Cohen's first trip to the track in a car that's faster than a 15, 16-second car. I mean, I was a little nervous as a father watching, but he did a great job. And but if you guys did enjoy this video, please, like always, smash that thumbs up button. If you are not subscribed, guys, go hit that subscribe button. Of course, like always, ring that bell notification. That will notify you every time we drop a new video on his Corvette or anything else. And stay tuned to see what we work on next.